When selling your Bitcoin, you can split it. You can have all of it sell. You can have a portion of it sell. But if this is your first time selling, you may have this kind of prompt right here. We ask you to confirm your phone number or verify your identity. Just go through all the steps and everything. In my case, it was a phone number. So I just had to confirm it real quick, and then it's sold as normal. All right, with that now, you can see that we do have $9.91. You can see that there has been a little slight difference, and that's because Cash App does charge a fee. But you can see you can send that remaining money to friends, or you can cash out to your bank account, which is what I decided to do. But hope you guys found this helpful. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below.